Hi guys, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing good and staying safe at your home. So recently Nykaa is running offers on MAC products. So I have few products with me. I wanted to share all those with you. So I'm going to share few of my lipstick favorites, few of my eyeshadow favorites, and also mascara and kajal. So I will also share mini reviews of all those products which I am going to share with you all today. So let's get started and see one by one all the products which I have from MAC. So before moving forward, as I always say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and if you have any queries, you can even comment in the comment section. So now let's get started and see one by one all the products which I have with me from the brand MAC. So as you can already see that I have already done my base. I have applied blush and highlighter and everything, but I have not done my eyes. And I will also show you different lip shades. So I will be removing this lip shade and will show you all the lip shades which I own from MAC. And we will be starting from our eyes, and let's get started now. So as we are starting with our eyes, I have already done my eye base. So now I'll be starting up with the eyeshadows. So the very first thing which we will be using is something for our crease and the whole eye portion. So I am going to use this matte soft brown eyeshadow, this mini version. This is called soft brown eyeshadow from MAC. So I am going to use this particular shade for my eyelid. I am taking this blending brush. So this is a very nice product for someone who does makeup occasionally, and that too if you like a very soft and very subtle makeup, then you can go for such kind of eyeshadows. This is going to cost you somewhere around 1500, I guess. So if you are looking for it, I'll be sharing the link of this product and you can go and check it out. So I have filled this color on my crease and above my crease. Same thing I am going to do with my other eye as well. You can build up the color according to your choice and preference. So I am using the same shade for my under eye area as well. Whenever you do your eye makeup, don't forget to apply eyeshadow under your eyes. That completes your eyeshadow looks. So I'm watching this side because I have my mirror right here. So I'm going to apply the same shade. You can see very subtle color. So I've also applied kajal. I don't have kajal from the same brand, so I have used another one. Now next move on to the next step. Next step is we will be using something for our eyelids, like in a corner of eyelids. So for that I am using this shade Mulch Velvet from the same brand MAC, and this is a very shimmery brown copperish kind of a shade. As you can see, it looks very pretty. So I'll be taking the color on my fingertips and I'll be dabbing it. So in this way, such kind of a shades which have shimmer inside it will give you better pigmentation, and it will show up very well. You can also use your brushes, no problem with it. But whenever I apply anything on my inner lids, then I usually use my fingers only, because in that way I think it looks much better. You can apply more to build color if you want. So this look is something which you can carry anywhere. If you are going for some parties or if you are going for some wedding function, then also you can do this look. If you are someone who does very less makeup, very minimal makeup, then these are the eyeshadows which are really very pigmented, which gives you very good look as well, and it has shimmer as well, so you can easily apply it for your parties or something like that. So I'll be blending everything with this blending brush now. So we are done. Now I'll be using kajal, which I have in brown shade. So this is called brown border Technicolor liner eyeliner kajal from MAC. So this is also going to cost you somewhere around 1500 to 2000. I'll be sharing all the links in description so you can go and check it out. So what I am going to do with this pencil is I am going to fill it here, my outer corner of my eyes, and I'll be creating a wing like this. Okay, so you can even use it as a liner. You can even use it like this. You can smudge it or you can keep it like this, whatever way you like it. Okay, so this will give you the much more softer look, and also your eyes will be looking much more defined, so you can see right now. Okay, so I'm not going to smudge it right now. If you want to smudge, you can even smudge it. Now I'm going to use mascara from the same brand, and this is the mascara which I'm going to use. There's no name written, but there is a number which says A98, and I love their mascara. They really give you a good curling effect and volume also to your eyes. So this is the mascara wand, you can see, which is very thick and very easy to apply. So this mascara will cost you somewhere around 2400 to 2500, but this is something which is worth your each and every penny. If you are someone who is kajal and mascara kind of a person, then you should definitely invest in this particular mascara. You can see I don't need to wear any fake lashes now, because this has already given a good volume and good thickness to my eyelashes. And never forget your lower eyelashes, so we are going to do that now. If you are going for some parties or wedding function and you want to keep your look very subtle yet very glamorous, then you can try this eye look, because this is going to look very subtle. It's not going to look as if you have done a lot to your face, but still your face will be looking so pretty. And the colors which we have used are very subtle, which will suit all these skin types. So this is going to look really very pretty. And the best thing about this is that you don't have to carry a big palette or something like that. If you're traveling anywhere, you just have to keep these small mini eyeshadows in your bag and you're good to go. And we usually carry our kajals and mascaras, so this is also very travel friendly and very easy to be used, and it's coming from a very good brand, so it's also going to stay on your eyes for a good amount of time. So that's for our eyes. Now let's move on to the lips. So the very first lipstick which I'm already wearing right here is this one. This is Matte Meher, which is going to cost you somewhere around 2000 rupees. And if you are going to buy a mini version of it, you can even get it for rupees 990. So I'll be sharing both the links of the bigger version and the mini version. Whatever you prefer to buy, you can buy it. And I have already applied the lip shade on my lips. You can see this is one of the cult favorite lipstick from MAC. So this is the first lipstick which I will highly recommend you if you are someone who likes nude lipsticks, but still that lipstick has a hint of pink in it. Then you can definitely try this one out. It has kind of a mauvish undertone to it, so it looks so pretty almost on all the skin type. I definitely love this lipstick. I am using it from past 1 or 2 years, I guess. And whenever I'll be running out of this lipstick, I'm surely gonna buy one more of this one because I love this so much. Now the next lipstick is MAC Ruby Woo. That lipstick is really very awesome. That is the perfect red shade. If you are a red lipstick girl, you can go for that lipstick without thinking anything. The only drawback to that lipstick is that lipstick makes your lips a bit dry, but that lipstick is to die for, especially the shade. If you are someone who can moisturize your lips properly, if you can take care of your lips, I will highly suggest you to try your hands on that particular lipstick. You will love it. I don't have that with me right now. Actually, I had with me, but I recently lost it somewhere, and right now I don't have it to show it to you. But that lipstick is just awesome. I'll be sharing the link of that particular lipstick in my description box, so you can go ahead and check it out from there, or either I'll be pasting the lipstick shade somewhere here in the screen, so you can go and check out, you can check it here as well. The next lipstick is from the same range, which is from MAC Bullet range, and this is their Retro Matte Relentlessly Red. This is also one of my favorite lipstick. You can see the shade right here. This is such a vibrant pink color which looks so pretty if you are going for some party or something like that. If you like vibrant pink shades, then you will be loving this one. Let me show you on my lips. So this is the swatch for Matte Meher on my hands. I forgot to show you that actually, and this is the swatch for Relentlessly Red. You can see such a pretty pink shade. So this is Relentlessly Red on my lips. So I must say that from all the pink lipstick which I own, this is one of my favorite pink shade from MAC, and this is called Relentlessly Red. This also makes your lips bit dry, but you can always prep your lips before applying such kind of a lipsticks. And this one, which is called Matte Meher, which I have shown you previously, this doesn't make your lips dry. Both of these lipsticks will cost you rupees 1700. Now the next thing which I am going to show you is their lip liner, and this is the best lip liner which I like from all the lip liners which I have used till now. This is very creamy, very easy to apply. You can even use it as a full lipstick, you can use it as a lip liner. So this is the swatch right here. It has kind of a pinkish brownish undertone to it, a perfect nude shade. If you are someone who apply nude lipsticks a lot, a very like not too bright lip shade, then you can use it as a lip liner as well. And let me show you the lip swatch of this particular lipstick. So if you will apply this particular lip liner as a lip liner, this is the shade which it gives. I hope you can see, because my lips are already very pigmented because of that pink shade. So this is the lip liner shade on my lips. So this is perfectly going with my top as well, and this is going to cost you rupees 1650. So I have also suggested you MAC Ruby Woo, which is the cult favorite lipstick. And now we will be moving on to the another lipstick, which is called their Retro Matte collection. So this one is in the shade Back in Vogue. This is such a nice spice nude kind of a shade. You can see this. It has hint of orange into it, but it's a very nude shade, so you have to be a bit careful with this lip shade. So what I personally do, I usually use this particular lip liner which I have shown you just now. On top of it, I apply this particular lipstick. Such a pretty nude shade it gives you. If I mix both this particular lip liner and this lipstick, now I'll be showing you only this on my lips. So now I am going to apply Back in Vogue individually on my lips without any lip pencil or anything. You will be seeing how does it look. Actually I look very funny because it washes me off, but applying it with some lip liner or anything like that, or mixing it with some other lip shade, it gives you a very good look. This is only Back in Vogue on my lips. So now we are going to move forward to our last product of this particular video, and this is again from the MAC Retro Matte collection. This is in the fuchsia pink shade, which is called Too Matte with Love. So such a nice name. So let me swatch it for you on my hand, and then I will swatch it on my lips as well. So this is the lip shade. You can see both the pink shades are really very different. This is a very fuchsia kind of a pink, and this is a very bright pink, you can say, which has a hint of red in it. So you can choose your shade whichever you like. So guys, this is not a sponsored video. I really wanted to share all these products with you all sometime. So I thought this is the right time to share these lipsticks and these eyeshadows with you, because right now Nykaa is also having some offers. So if you are interested in buying any of MAC product, you can go and take a reference from my video to buy your products. So now I'm going to apply this one, Too Matte with Love. Actually, I wanted to share one more thing with you all from MAC brand only, which is their highlighter. They have amazing highlighter, especially in this shade Oh My Darling, I guess. And that is a bit costly. Actually, that is going to cost you somewhere around 2500, I guess. I don't remember the exact price, but that highlighter is really very good, not at all chalky. So I love that particular highlighter, but I don't have that product with me right now, so I cannot show you, but I'll be sharing the link of that product as well in the description. You can see how pigmented these lipsticks are, that in one swatch only you get good color, good pigmentation on your lips. So guys, this is the lipstick on my lips. This is called Too Matte with Love, and this is such a pretty pink fuchsia shade. As this is a liquid lipstick, I will not say that this is properly a liquid lipstick. Actually, I feel like that it has a moussey kind of a texture to it, which is very easy to apply, and it gets instantly dry on your lips. It doesn't transfer after it gets dries, and it's going to stay on your lips for good 4-5 hours. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you have liked all these beauty products which I have shown to you. If you will ask my recommendation from all these products, which I will highly suggest you, is these two eyeshadows, which I will highly suggest you. I only own these two eyeshadows from MAC because I also like such subtle looks on my eyes only. Because it's okay if I am doing my YouTube or Instagram video, I play with colors, but in normal life I like to apply such kind of a shades only. So I will suggest you to apply this, and if you want to buy any of these products, you can buy these products from my link given in the description. That's gonna help me out. So that's it. Bye bye, take care. We will meet in our next video.